Welcome to AppIQ. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reorder clips in Instagram edits.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
So first, go to Instagram. On the upper left corner, click the plus icon, and then we're creating a new reel here, and then we can click the videos that we want to add. Click next. So if we're not concerned with the audio, just skip this one, and then swipe up to edit. Click pause so that it'll not be very confusing, and then scroll over and then click one clip and then hold it, and then on the bottom click the reorder. So here you can swipe it to the left and then the same thing, swipe to right, and do it all over again. So if we are done, as you can see, it switched the order, and then you can edit forward. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.